Well, good morning, campers. It's 9:56. It's the 18th of January. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? And you recognise the fucking light. The light shines on the righteous. Yeah, well, I'm up with Gina. She's doing a bit of um, what's it work? I can't remember what they call it. It's got to be done. Anyway, so early her car wouldn't start this morning. So I've taken her up there, and as you can see, I'm sat on this people's drive. Sit here and wait for her to come back. Tried to get older Kev to about come out and fix it. Went out there, turned it on, turned over, ran. Didn't attempt the fire. So I expect it's a coil pack or something, but it's nothing that I can fix. So we'll get the man out with his machine and stick his gun on it or whatever they fucking call it. I'm trying to get so he can sort of see me. Yeah, good night last night. I get up this morning and go back down there and get her to give her a lift up here. She said she wasn't going to go. I said, but you need to go, so got her up here. Yeah. Have you seen that message or fucking answer or comment from that idiot fucking cougar? Oh, just some friendly advice about my beard and me rubbing gunk into my beard because I rub my nose. I don't know where the fuck I was going to get gunk from. Just shows you how some of these people fucking live, doesn't it? Yeah. Must have sad lives if they got to fucking worry about me and rubbing me nose and rubbing me beard. I do that. I mean, I do that when I ain't got a fucking beard. Because like in the summer, I usually shave all this off. But I still do that. But yeah, it's that bit. And of course, that bit there gets in my mouth, so I'm always doing that, pushing that out of the way. Um, yeah. Yeah, what was yourself? Safety and medical grounds. I'll tell you what, well, I don't know, I say cougar, I expect some fucking old woman, isn't it? That's what a cougar is, isn't it? Some sad old fucking can't get a bloke. But I just like some of these, but it's so secretive, isn't it? It's all sort of, they haven't got no picture of them. I mean, like me, I mean, you can go on eBay and you can find my account on eBay, it says Chalky. On Facebook, Travelling Chalk, Chalky White, pictures, fucking whatever. People say about me, oh, you shouldn't tell people where you park up at night. You know, been doing this for me. I've had a camper van, 1960. I just noticed a fucking camper van fire. I didn't notice that. 1968 was the first van I had, a little old fucking Bedford with a nose on the front. Is it a CB or a fucking, I can't remember what they're called, with a sliding door. That's the first van I've had, and I've had vans on and off ever since then. You know, went through a stage of riding motorbikes and carrying tents and that, but fuck that for Game of Soldiers. Yeah, and but what you got to do in your camper van and what you should do, or what you should do. What do you mean what I should do? Fucking 71 years old, tell me what I got to fucking do. Fucking wankers. You know, why do people think I need to fucking be looked after and protected and, you know, and comment on, how you look and this, that, the other. Uh, but the thing is, see, it's fair play, innit? I mean, I did get that bloke the other day said that he'd give me a thumbs down because he didn't agree with what I said. And he told me, and I said to myself, you have to have your opinion. But you've got people on here like, they got no face, no fucking, no what's it. It's just comments. It just shows what fucking nasty people they are, doesn't it? It's just fucking, must be in their bones, just be fucking nasty cunts in their bones. So you can fucking get me using that word again. Yeah. Yeah, my mate Boxy, he's furloughed. He got two people up at his works have tested positive for COVID. His missus tested, is it the float test or the flow test or something fucking thing? Yeah. I mean, he won't fucking catch nothing, will he? He drinks too much fucking alcohol. He's fucking pickled. That fucking COVID wouldn't fucking dare go anywhere near him. Oh dear. Yeah. Yeah, I can't fucking see, like, not anybody in particular, but I mean, you get people get on the piss all the time. I mean, is their lives that sad that they don't want to be, they don't want to have a life, they just want to be drunk all the time? Yeah. I don't, I mean, I used to drink fucking years ago. You could have called me a social drinker, but when I used to get fucking drunk, I'm a really anti-social drinker. Yeah. Don't get nasty and punchy and that, but just develop a really weird sense of humour that apparently it's only me that finds funny. Anyway, I'm going now, so I'll speak to you all later. Got to be here till 1 o'clock, until she's finished work, until she's finished doing what she's got to do. Get all the cleaning and all the fucking whatever she does. And I'll speak to you all later. Stay classy, no fighting. Love you all. Bye bye.